Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is strings. What is the meaning of string? String, basically the definition of string we can consider as where we just have to put the group of alphabets or group of words, right? So we can write down our string in three forms. First is the single quote, then the double quote, and after that the triple quote. What is the use of the single quote? Single quote means if you just want to enter any single character or the abbreviations, like I just put here the value in single quote as V or DAV or SD, like these value you can consider in the single quote letter. And double quote, we just have to add the group of values, or you can say the group of words, like I am an Indian. This is the complete line, so it will be considered in the double quote letter. Or in the triple quote, you just have to enter the number of lines, or you can consider it as a paragraph value, right? So here bachcho, we are having two types of the strings. First you can this is not the type of the strings. Basically you can consider your string value in the two terms. First is the immutable, second is the mutable. Immutable means mutable means the value that you can change, means जिसको हम change कर सकते हैं, that will be considered as the mutable value. Or we know that if we just want to change any value, that means we are talking about the variables. And immutable means if you if you don't want to change any value, means the value that can't be changed is known as the immutable. That is, example of for it is constants, right? So these are the basic two terms, immutable and mutable, that we have to use in the string variable. Okay, now you have to know about it, that characters, whatever the characters you are using in your string value, that consider as a unique position, means whatever the values we want to enter in any string, it will be carried different address value in the different positions, right? For example, I just written the value as I love Python language. So according to the value, according to the addressing value, it will be considered as a different string value. You can see here I will be considered as a 0 address value, then space love will be considered as 2 3 4 5 and so on. And please remember one thing also, if you are having the blank space, it will be considered as the value as well. Okay, so for the rest of the languages, if we talk about the normal string value, it will be considered as total length of 80. But in Python language, it having value as 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so if we just want to write down our normal value I love Python, it will be considered as I love Python. And if you will not stop the value exactly with the null character, it will be considered the total length value. If you just want to ask the total length value, strl len means string length, it will give you the result as 80, right? But if you just stop your particular string value with the help of the null character means backslash 0, this is the null value. When we just enter this null value over here, it will be considered as total 15 values, means the 14 values are these and the 1 is the null character. It will be considered as total 15 values. Okay, so when you will just ask the string length again, it will show you the result as 15. So what is the basic motive to use the null character? Because according to the memory, if you will consider your string value without your null character, it will carry the complete space, right? But if you put the null character over here, it will carry you the least space. Okay, and the rest space you can use in the next string as well. But in the Python language, it will be considered as 0 to n minus 1. Okay, means you can start your string value from 0 and you have to end your value with the n minus 1, right? Now move to the next topic, that is string creating. How we have to create the string? We can create the string by the two terms. First is by accessing value directly to the variable, and second is by taking input value. First means by assigning the values directly to the variable, means in this case we can directly give the value to the variable. You can check the example as well. Suppose I'm having the string that is equals to I love my country. This is my string value. So when we just enter the string again, it will show the result as the output value as I love my country. Okay, whereas in the second term, if you just want to write down any input value over here, you have to first enter a string. Give the input, that is enter a string. Now when you press the enter key, it will give you the value as enter a string, where you just have to enter your string value, that is this is my book. And when we just want to check the output again, the result will be shown here. Okay, so this is the two type, these are the two types of your string creation. Thank you and have a nice day.